Mohawk Jewelers, timeless jewelry for generations.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the show Fight Against COVID 19. Thank you for really supporting the show and liking the show. With this show, we are trying to create awareness and connect you to people who are unsung heroes who are working behind the scene to help people who are fighting the front lines. It's really a great show because we are connected in different states in the United States of America and we are not limited to any caste, community, or any region. We are able to create awareness by connecting you to people who are helping in many ways. Either they are making masks, helping people who are hungry, helping small businesses to cherish or flourish, and doing many, many things that will help people in the end to fight this battle against COVID 19. Today, I'm going to introduce a group of ladies who are really amazing. Irrespective of the age, they're trying to help and create these masks. They are from Boston and they're full of energy and very exciting. I have Neela Shah, I have Bhavani Patel, and I have Sabira Shah from Boston. Welcome, ladies, to the show.
Hello.
Thank you.
So, thank you so much, first of all, for being on the show and trying to create this awareness to people why this is important. And it doesn't matter which community or where you are, you're fighting together. So, I'm going to start with Neela Shah. Neela ji, can you please tell me a little bit about you and your family and what you do and how you're supporting this fight?
I am in this country in USA for almost 45 years. I am accountant by profession and 2 years ago I retired after 30 years in mutual fund accounting area, BNY Mellon. And I live with my husband. He is also retired, so we are enjoying our retirement. I have two sons who live in New York City. They are married with the children and everything. So we are enjoying our retirement and doing the activity we like to do.
Very nice. And Bhavani ji, tell me a little bit about your family, a little bit about what you do.
So I have my husband and two children, a son and a daughter. Son and daughter are in New York, New Jersey area. My husband and I have been retired for last 10 years and just enjoying retirement. Basically, till now, we were, as grandparents, babysitting and traveling around the world. But because of this lockdown,
Yeah.
Now we are twiddling our thumbs as to what to do.
Yeah.
And this is the best opportune thing that has happened to us by helping out the people in this pandemic situation.
Yeah, that's great. Sabira, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sabira Shah, and I'm an ophthalmologist working at the Joslin Diabetes Center. I'm still working full time, but now because of the lockdown, I'm home. And since I'm not working at the front line, I felt left out, and I feel like I want to do something to help people. Even little bit helps. If everybody helps, that work for. So it may be what I'm doing may be not significant, but I asked Bhavini, and she helped me and introduced to this project of mask making, and I'm in.
That's wonderful. So Neela ji, tell me, how did you start this whole mask? आपने कैसे शुरू करा ये mask का whole process?
A friend of mine who is related to Seva organization, she asked me that, can you sew? And I said, I can sew, but I don't know how to make the mask. So, but I love sewing. So she said, oh, they will tell you how to do it. And organization is wonderful. Like they sent us the YouTube videos and PDF files, and we had all the instructions, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful. And all the people, they drop off the material, they pick up the ready masks, and lots of people are working diligently to make a difference.
Bhavani ji, आप बताइए, how did you get into this mask making process?
So I have a friend, her name is Mrudula Patel, and she is in the organization, and she had called me up asking if I could sew, and I said, very basic. And she says, well, this is what's happening. Would you like to help out? And I said, certainly. And so the next thing I heard was that Shovaji was calling me and setting up the Zoom video training that we were all participating.
Yeah.
And the story starts from there, basically.
That's amazing. And Sabira ji, can you aap bataiye, how did you get involved in this process?
Well, when this started, since we are locked down, I asked so many friends and family, what can I do to help? And I have two children, my son and my daughter. They are married, they have their children. And I couldn't come up with anything. And one day I was walking, and Bhavini um, s- introduced me to this project, and that's how I started.
Yeah. So first of all, let me tell you, you guys are inspirations. I mean, it's just a really honor to have you on the show. That you're, doing Zoom and trying to help the community. Although you guys are in retirement and some of you still working, but mainly retirement. It's amazing to see how you're getting up and helping. And it doesn't matter, how old are you or how young you are. Everybody's in this fight together. So thank you so much for doing that. First, I wanted to say that. Tell me some of the challenges, Neela ji. What are some of the challenges? आपको क्या कभी कुछ challenges होते हैं सब करने के लिए?
Biggest challenge right now for me is the putting the thread through the needle. Other than that, there are no challenges really. Everything is going very smooth, and I think it all comes with the age, like threading that little needle. But other than that, Seva organization is wonderful. They drop off the material, they pick up everything, and very positive attitude. Young girls, they make rounds to the people's houses, and it's just wonderful. And
Thank
I
you.
never heard that they have to think about it. They had an answer for everything.
It's a great
It's
organization.
it's helping us, and we feel just so good that we are helping in a small way.
तो आप बहुत बड़े वे से हेल्प कर रहे हैं, स्मॉल वे से नहीं.
Even my husband helps me, like
wow.
little ironing and cutting and things like that. So
पहले
it's
से
like a
iron करता
teamwork here.
पहले से आयरन करते थे, then he just started getting motivated by you.
Well, he himself is a volunteer big time, and
Right.
he retired very early just to do the social and community work. So he is my inspiration, really.
That's very nice. Bhavni ji, आप बताइए, like what are some of the challenges and what is your inspiration to do this?
So I'm in agreement with Neela. One of the biggest challenges is putting that thread through that needle. In fact, last night I had my glasses on and I said, I need a higher magnification.
Really?
So I can't do this at nighttime. So I asked my husband to do it, and that was impossible for him as well. So I left it till this morning. And then again, I mean, it's such a challenge. It's a teamwork for myself and my husband. From day one, he's been so helpful. He's been helping me washing, ironing,
Nice.
and, doing it both together. And again, like I said, Seva, I'm in agreement with Neela. Seva has been really, really good in all aspects. I don't think so. I have any deficiencies with them at all.
Yeah. Sabira ji, you tell me, what are some of the challenges and, some of what motivates you to do this?
Well, there is no challenge making the mask. And Neela and Bhavini, if you need help threading the needle, please come to me. I'll solve your problems. No, but it's wonderful. It gives me such a pleasure to do it. And I knew about Seva before, but I'm not part of that organization. But I think they are wonderful, the work they are doing.
Yeah. So, Neela ji, मुझे बताइए आपका motivation. Who is your, I would say, ideal, or why do you want to do this? It's so selfless at this time. What made you decide that?
My parents are the biggest motivation. I saw them doing the community work and being very giving, and always they made a point that birds and animals can take care of their own, but human people, they do their own, and also they help the community. That kind of thinking my father, he told us all the time.
Wonderful.
And it is just everybody has, you never have a not time, like you always have a time for helping somebody, and it's just wonderful. And my husband, he's biggest volunteer around, and he does lots of community work, and He works on this lots of boards for just without any pay, and it's a lot going on all the time.
That's wonderful. Bhavni ji, aap bataiye, what is your motivation and why did you want to do this?
My motivation was my mother. From very young childhood, growing up with her, both my parents, just like Neela's parents, they were always doing community work, and they always involved me in whichever aspect it was, from childhood basically. And one of the charities, I wouldn't say charities, one of the organizations which they never asked for any funding or anything at all, but you know, you did the seva for them. The BKs, the Brahma Kumaris. I don't know if you've heard of them or not.
Yes.
And they were first founded 40 years ago in London, and I started off with them. And being with them and doing a lot of charity work with them and volunteer work, it just inspires me to help people out in whichever aspect they need help in.
Yeah, that's a great. Shabir, aap bataiye, what do you think is your motivation and why do you?
I think like Bhavini and Neela, I grew up in the family where my grandparents, my parents, big on charity and the community work, and my brothers even still now, and we all do that. We want to continue that legacy in a different way here in this country. But I think that's the basic thing that we learn, all these basic value from our family.
Yeah, I tell you, just all that is great in our families, in our roots. But aap log ka, first of all, really thanking you from the bottom of my heart to do all these things for these front people in the front line like me. Basically trying to be there and help as a community. That's wonderful. I want to, before we close, I want to give some, opportunity for you to talk to the viewers. So, Neela ji, आप बताइए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे viewers को इस time इस need पे for COVID-19?
This is the work I want to do, and it's helping so many people, because all of us we realize that mask is very critical to have in this kind of situation. So, and when Shovaji sends me where the masks went, like every day they make a boxes of 50 masks and take it to the nursing homes and assisted living places, and it is like it just feels so good. Yeah. It feels good that you are helping some way.
That's nice. Bhavni ji, aap bataiye, what message?
Well, looking at the frontliners, the doctors, the nurses, the other people involved in the backdrop, if they can put their life in jeopardy and help out the people, I think the least I or we can do is to help by making masks and saving a life here and there, basically. Yeah. And that's the message I'd like to give people, that do whatever is necessary for you to help out all these people.
Yeah. Thank you, Shabir ji. Aap bataiye, what message would you like to give to the viewers?
Well, I was frustrated in the beginning because being a physician, I cannot do anything to help in a medical field. Being an ophthalmologist, I'm not the front line. But I want to give a message to everyone that no matter how old, how young you are, what community you belong to, what age group you are, I think even whatever little thing you can do to help, that goes a long way. And I think I trust in humanity. Hopefully, we will all come ahead of these things and get it over with this terrible disease.
No, really, thank you. I think that's what the show is about, to make people aware of the great work, nice work that you guys are doing and other people are doing. And many people are doing a lot of work. There are a lot of people actually working and doing things around. So it's great to see you guys. You're a motivation to the young generation and people who will look up to you and say, okay, आप अगर सुई में धागे डालते, actually मैं भी नहीं डाल पाती, मैं आपको ये बता दूं. But it's just a wonderful feeling to know you guys, your inspiration to all the younger generation, and hopefully we can all work together like you guys are working in the form of mask and help the community. So first of all, thank you so much. Thank you for doing all that. And
thank you to you, and you are working the front line and lot of dedication and everything. So
thank you.
Thank you, Shefali.
Thank you. Take care. Good night. Bye.
Thank you.